I'm saying,
my piece is not
my hair looks a bit rough right now, but guys, stay tuned to this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we're about to get into it. Guys, my sister looks so different, don't she? She looks different, man. No more of a natural hairbrush. Guys, tell me if you like my sister's hair. I did a good job still. Did a good job. You know. Oh, don't get gassed. Okay, but guys, so first of all, I just wanna like tell you where I got this hair from, tell you the details and everything, where I got this hair from, if the hair's good or not, just giving you some good. I got this hair from Allovehair. As you can see, I already did a video about this hair company already, but yeah, I got this hair from Allovehair. This is how it is on her. As you can see, she's styling it and making it look all good or whatever. But yeah, they sent me this in 24 inches. The hair is very nice. The hair, it sheds, like it does shed, but it doesn't shed a lot, as you can see, like while I'm running my hand through it and everything. Like it sheds, but it doesn't shed a lot. It's quite soft. Like one thing about this hair is like it's really soft as you run your hands through it and everything. Like sometimes you don't even need to put no oil or none of that in it, because like you'd have to put like oil and stuff in it just to keep it going, making sure it's soft, and you have to keep brushing out. With this hair, you don't have to personally. Like it just straightens very well and everything. Like, I just love this hair. Like, guys, make sure you go purchase your hair from Allovehair. All their details will be down in the description box. As you can see, my sister's feeling herself because she likes the hair. He's a pretty pan anytime. Way. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed me doing my sister's hair. Comment down below if you want to see my sister in more of my videos, and also comment down below what videos you like us to do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.